the people who were supposed to be helping to drum up enthusiasm in the process. And Ron, let me ask you first, because again, the sense had been that all of you, both sides, were so energized and so into it that we would see the turnout. Are you surprised to hear these initial numbers?
Yes, because I believe that I was looking around low 44 up to 50, 52 thereabout voter turnout. So to hear 30.4 at 3 p.m. was shocking. It was even shocking earlier in the morning. At one point I heard 14%.
Greetings to all people of Jamaica, listening and watching. First of all, I think it's my duty as a believer in democracy to acknowledge and concede the results and to congratulate our opponent, the RPJ, for their victory tonight. Jamaica's democracy is important and we must cherish it. Sometimes it brings bitter disappointment, and sometimes those disappointments are laced with a tinge of a sense that all isn't fair and just. But it is very, very important that we put democracy ahead of all those feelings, and I accept the results of these elections, though I must say I'm disappointed. I think it's only correct to expressly acknowledge the success that our opponents have managed to gain today. I thank you.
We did not descend my political organization. We did not stoop to the gutters to run a campaign. We did not seek to trick anyone. We did not seek to tear down anyone, to lift up ourselves. We did not seek to tear down Jamaica just to prove that we can administer the affairs of Jamaicans. We ran a free and fair and clean campaign that showed that we were the party of choice and that we can win.
Action! Good evening, viewers and subscribers. This is Chat to Me TV. I'm your host, Fitzroy Lupar. We're here talking to Minister Wallace.
Do I look like a switcher to you? Huh? This is Minister Daly.
Sorry, Minister Daly. I did an interview a couple days ago with Mr. Wallace. Bad memory. Sorry about that.
Get it right, Mr. Lippy. Get it right.
It's the pie. You know what? I will cut out that later. So, Minister Daly, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, you see, to tell you the truth,
Minister Daly, talk to the camera.
oh, my bad. Well, you see, I started from humble beginnings. Just like most Jamaicans can relate, I started by just living in one boardroom shop. I had one bicycle. I invested and then I got 2 bicycles. No persons want to question my fortune. It's hard work. Hard work.
So, Minister, I want to congratulate you on your victory and your party's victory. But how you feel about the rumors that you didn't win?
Well, you see, it's just bad sportsmanship on the part of the opposition. You see, we ran a clean and fair campaign while they try to smear members of my party's name. So, they're just a sad loser.
So, Mr. Daly, Mr. Wallace said you thief him seed a year ago while he was in the institution. Is that true?
As far as I'm concerned, it was a mental institution. And of course, you couldn't leave the people of the constitution and of the constituency unrepresented. They chose the best man for the job. Talk about my tenure here. Talk about the development in the community center. Talk about the homework program. Talk about the persons that I sent to school. That's what you need to ask me as an interviewer.
So, Mr. Daly, what you want to fight me for? I'm just asking the question, sir. Subscribers and viewers, we are okay.
No, I'm just telling you what I've done. And as a proper journalist, you should have done your due diligence by doing your research.
Now, what the biggie? Mr. Daly, me do my research. Me do my search, sir. Just the people that need to know, sir.
What's your next question?
You have proof that Mr. Wallace was in the institution.
Basic access to information. That's common knowledge. Those information are out there that you as a journalist should have and should be aware of. That he was not only in the institution, but check himself out. If somebody who is mad can't vote, why should you vote for somebody who is mad?
What him say is you create the documents and him planning to sue you.
How can he sue me for something that's public knowledge? The information is out there. I have no idea of where this document generated from.
Alright, let me answer this. How you feel about Mr. Wallace switching from your party to the next?
Is he doing that? Really show the character of a man. A man like that cannot be trusted. That says that he's someone who will jump ship whenever the going gets tough. It's the best thing he could do. Our party don't need weak jellyback man like that.
Jelly back. But minister, you are saying he's a jellyback and him win convincingly in the constituency of Spanish Town.
You see, that's the problem with political dieharted people. He will always win convincingly in those strong seats. But if he really wanted to prove that he was strong, why never face the champion? Why never challenge me in this constituency?